Mathaa manini thutha wa President William Ruto gucokereria guku bururi-ini oimite icera bururi-ini wa South Korea anyitanĩire na kanitha wa Sita mwena wa Karen kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Ruto oigĩte icera riake bururi-ini ucio riroimire mawega Kiondorita kumana na ndũgũ ĩrĩa Kenya yaturire naguo mĩaka 35 mĩhĩtũku.
I was informed that the last time there was a head of state from Kenya who visited Korea was 35 years ago. And history has it that at some point, Kenya actually made a contribution to support Korea. But today, I went there to seek the support of Korea for Kenya. And they were generous. He's waiting for me.
President anyitĩtwo ũgeni nĩ mũnini wake Rigathi wa Gachagua.
You have just come from South Korea, where you have successfully mobilized millions of dollars to assist this great country. These people, where you are away, crafted a narrative that now that you are succeeding and the world has accepted you and accepted your leadership and they are responding to your various engagements, that William Ruto is a puppet of the West. We have told them, President William Ruto has exclusive mandate from the people of Kenya to engage the West, the East, the North, the South, and anybody who means well for this great country.
Ruto arauga thirikari yake nĩ kugeria gukinyukia makinya ma bururi ucio hari gukiria utonga wa bururi.
I was reminded that this is a country that Kenya was lending money 30 years ago. Today, it is the 10th largest economy in the world. I want you, as Kenyans and as Christians, to trust God with me so that Kenya can be a different country in our lifetime.
President na mũnini wake moigĩte matikwenyenyio nĩ mbũkĩrĩra o ciothe kuma kũrĩ ang'ethanĩri ao muoroto-inĩ wa gũtungatĩra bũrũri.
Our hard-working CS and the security chiefs came up with a good strategy on how to create convergence between officers of the National Government Administration and the police to achieve total security. Again, our detractors using the press put a screaming headline, Moi era chiefs are back. The same people are asking the people of Kenya to go back to the streets because Parliament is doing its work and is an independent institution.
I think the opposition is doing their job. The executive we will do our job. The judiciary will do their job.
Kanitha ũyũ ũrakũngũĩra mĩaka 25 kuma rĩrĩa wambĩrĩirie. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.